is the Vivo Nex smartphone. Now this device has just been launched in India and comes with a bunch of features that you may not find in any other flagship smartphone. This has an on-screen fingerprint sensor, a notchless, bezel-less display and a pop-up camera. So let's see what's inside the So guys, that was the unboxing of the Vivo Nex smartphone that has just been launched in India and will be going on sale soon. For more tech videos and updates, follow
Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and YouTube. I'm Robinson and we'll see you next time.